Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today I'm going to show you 100 on top of the chair. So you can do the Pilates 100 anywhere. You get on a wall, you can do it on a chair, you can do it on the Cadillac, all those places. And so I wanted to show you here, there's actually two options on how you can do it. One's harder, one's easier. But it's just, if you want to do a Wunda Chair workout, it's a great place to warm yourself up because a chair is quite difficult. I also put this and other mat exercises into the chair stack for onlinepilatesclasses.com because I wanted you to see how you can actually use this as a mat and challenge your mat practice because it's a smaller mat, right? So if you have questions about that, you can put them in the comments below. If you have the chair stack, thank you so much. If you don't have the chair stack, we have so many decks out now for Pilates equipment and really telling you the setup actions and how these exercises relate to other ones. So I hope you enjoy all of them. So for this, you don't need to worry about your springs. You just need to lie on the top of the chair like it's a mat. And if I lay this way, it is easier. If I were to lay on the short side, it's going to be harder because with the short side, I'm not going to have my whole body on it. So I have to actually pretend there's a mat here to go at. And then you just pump your arms, inhale for 5 and exhale for 5. And it's a little challenging to get your legs as low as you want on the mat, but you can try it. Look at, I'm surprising myself actually. So you do your full cycle of breathing here. All 10 breaths there. And then you can go into your ab series. You'll see those cards in the chair stack. You can go into your footwork, anything like that. But also just what a great way to find out if you're cheating and making yourself too easy when you're on your mat because you have so much mat, right? So give this a try. Let me know how it feels in your body in the comments below. Check us at onlinepilatesclasses.com where we do life better.